Hello everybody, welcome to Microsoft Excel and SAP integration course. In this course, we will be learning how to extract data from SAP from Microsoft Excel, or how to integrate Microsoft Excel with SAP to create attractive and flexible reports. And we will also see what are all the benefits using this kind of integration or this kind of programming. This integration will be done using Microsoft VBA programming, and this course will take you step by step how to do this integration or how to do this kind of reporting. This course is targeted for following audience: SAP user. SAP user means any kind of SAP user. If you are a normal user, also you can use this course to generate create reports as you like. As a key users, for key users this is very important because you may be generating report from SAP which is already existing, but you want it in a different format. Generally what the tendency is that you will be downloading different SAP reports and combining it to one to make it in the form what you like to have. So this will be a very good tool for you to reduce this work and make a report that you like or the way you would like to present. And for SAP functional consultant, also this course is very useful for to extract data in a support environment or in a project environment. You may be extracting some data in a regular basis from different tables, or creating a report which you need to send to different persons on a regular basis. Then you can use this tool that to create these reports. So you may be thinking, why do I need to use this tool? Why can't I create an ABAP program? The advantage you will come to know when we are going deeply into this course. The main advantage is that you are having an independent program which is not specific to a system, that you can from your PC you can run this program to any system which you would like to extract data on the format what you want. And for technical consultant, in technical consultant there is many reports that does not satisfy, or there are many reports that does not give you the output the way in which you like to have it, or there is some reports which is not available in SAP, for example. Or for example, if you go to this sapbuddy.com and see the report of background jobs for basis consultant, so we do not have a consolidated report to show you how many background jobs are running and how many background jobs are ad hoc jobs and how many jobs are periodic jobs. So these reports are not available, and it's actually a very simple 3 tables which you can generate these reports. So using this method, that you can generate this report very easily, and you go to any environment, any customer, as a functional consultant or a technical consultant, you can use this simple Excel report and run this report and get the data what you like. For data migration consultant also it's very useful, because you will be extracting data from different tables and combining into one format as you want, and to migrate to a different system. This is applicable for data migration consultant who is migrating data from SAP to another system, as well as one SAP system to another SAP system. When we are doing a rollout project, or when we are doing a data migration project, these tools or these techniques will be very useful. And audit executives, either it can be an internal auditor or an external auditor, that you would like to extract quite a lot of data, then these data which you are trying to collect may change from one client to another client, or one time of audit period to a different time of audit period. So if you have, let's assume if you have an ABAP program, then you will not be able to modify this ABAP program in the in the in the specific day, in one day, that you wanted to change this one. Then you need to go back to an ABAP consultant, do this program, and transport to different system. So we have little bit of complication, the process complication as well as the technical complication there, because and this program will be specific to one system. So if you are going to different systems, then this is the best way that you can extract data. And for project managers, so for project managers, for example, there is so many scenarios that you would like to see the data from this SAP system based on your project milestones, at how many data has been imported, whether these data have been already collected or this reconciled. So you need to generate some reports based on some from the SAP table. This is the tool that which will help you, this is a method which will help you to ease the daily jobs of everyone who is using SAP. Why SAP and VBA? So as I said, the integration of SAP and Microsoft Excel will be happening using VBA, Visual Basic Application. If let's say we need to create this report in ABAP, and first of all we may be spending quite a lot of efforts to create this report. It does not mean that all our ABAP requirement can be satisfied using this VBA programming. The point here is that we may be creating a lot of ABAP reports which may be used by one person, one specific person, or two users, or one user or two users. So for that we will be spending quite a lot of efforts to create this report, and which is used by one or two person or one or two users. So in these type of scenarios, instead of spending that much of efforts and money, that we can create the very simple report using VBA. And moreover, after getting the report from SAP, we will be downloading into, generally people downloads into Excel and make a nice format and give a very good presentable look to that particular report. So instead of that, if let's say I'm one user, I'm generate one report being run by me every day, but I want it in the format, in a different presentable format, you can create the report in VBA or in Excel, and you can directly extract the data from SAP and make it in a presentable format as you like. That is one part of it. And the other part of it, as I said, like an auditor or a data migration consultant, that if you go to different systems or different clients, that you will not be able to carry the same program to different places and implement in their system, the customer systems. Instead, we can have this independent program in your own PC and log into their system and extract the data as the way you like to have it. The goals and objectives of this particular course is, first of all, we will be learning how to interface the SAP with Microsoft Excel, and we will learn how to extract the data from SAP using VBA. And with this, we want to simplify our daily jobs. That is the main objective of this course. Automating the reports using the Microsoft Excel VBA, and generate reports without ABAP code using VBA. As I said, that if the report is used by a single person, then we can generate this reports using this VBA without even a single ABAP code. And this VBA or this Excel format can be changed anytime by the user, and you can change the format, the look and feel of this report as and when you require. And this should increase the efficiency of your work when you are using SAP and Microsoft Excel together. With this, we are coming to the end of this session. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you in the next session. Bye bye.